Hey guys, after doing today's show, there was something I did need to clarify just a little bit, so we're going to get right back to you, and here's the thing. Flavors, survey, advance notice of proposed rulemaking. Why do both? Stick around. Hey guys, you know, after going downstairs and really thinking about it, I really felt I needed to do this video. I mean, a lot of people have actually came up to me and been like, you know, Rob, I don't understand. Why should I be doing both the flavor survey and also sitting here doing this other thing? Why should I do both? Why should I do the advance notice of proposed rulemaking and do the flavor survey? Now, for anyone that wants to do the flavor survey, which I do highly recommend, you can text, which I'll try to throw up in the video in one of these two corners, probably this one over here or down below me. You text CASA flavors to 52886. I'm pretty sure that's the number. But here's the thing. The flavor survey is actually a scientific study with FDA approved software. Now, what's going to happen after everyone takes this survey is Dr. Farsalinos, which we all know and we all love him for everything he's done for the vape community in advocacy and scientific research. He's going to take this and turn it into a peer-reviewed study. Now, the peer-reviewed study will be scientific data that he can communicate to Dr. Gottlieb and the rest of the FDA and the Center for Tobacco Products about the importance of flavors in harm reduction and tobacco cessation. Because, in my opinion, we're not a tobacco product. But here's the other fact. There's also the advance notice of proposed rulemaking, which the advance notice of proposed rulemaking, it is a lot different than the comment periods that we've seen in the past. In advance notices, technically, all you're supposed to be submitting is scientific research. Yes, we want to get as many comments as we can during that period, because comments with extra voice, even though technically the FDA doesn't have to look at them, they're still technically going to have to look at them and know what side you stand on. When you send them that comment, they're still going to see it. There is power in numbers. They don't have to address it as much, or, well, technically, legally, they don't have to address it at all. But just the simple fact of us submitting them and showing our numbers shows them that we are united for flavors. Let me get a vape. Now, I submitted mine. Why, if you haven't submitted yours or done the survey, why haven't you? Why haven't you done your part in advocacy? Bottom line, why haven't you done what you need to do to protect your rights to have yogurt vapes or to have candy vapes or to have pastry vapes? Why haven't you done your job? Why haven't you picked up your own mantle and actually done what you need to do? Like I said, now if you were coming to me and you'd be like, well, I don't want to do both, but I want to at least do something. Because you don't have to do everything. At least do something. I always say that just like Grim Green does. If you were coming to me and you said, Rob or Minuteman, which one should I do? Honestly, I'd tell you do the flavor survey because it is going to have more of an impact right now. But you do it now and you submit your comment. We can't soften up when the notice of proposed rulemaking comes out, because there is two comment periods. There's the advance notice and then there's the notice. What I'm afraid of is, with everyone submitting your comments now, you're going to feel like you can just sit back and do nothing during the notice of proposed rulemaking, when it really makes a big difference telling your story. And I don't want you doing that. We have to submit during both times. We have to make sure to do that. Now, I will make sure to put a link to both down in the description. Yes, I might get some flack for saying that the survey is more important. Or yes, I might get some flack for saying my personal opinion that the comment period is also important. Both of those are important because there is power in numbers. There's power in numbers of you going out and saying, yes, I support this. Because if I'm not mistaken, this is all public information. All of our legislators that are in Congress or senators in the U.S. Senate, they all can see it if they want to. If they want to go back and look at who all submitted comments, they can. Now, if you live across the pond over in England or you live anywhere else, you still can comment in the advance notice of proposed rulemaking. You cannot comment in the survey. The survey is for U.S. residents only. Please remember that. If you live across the pond or you live anywhere else in the United States or in the world, I'm sorry, it is for U.S. residents only. But this is your chance to shine. This is the vaping community's time to shine as a unit. Now get off of your butts and speak up. Speak up, vaping community. Quit sitting on your hands doing nothing. Now, here's the thing. If these issues are not being pushed, as I stated in the live show, by your local vape shops, mention it to them. If they seem to blow it off, speak with your money. Be like, well, you know what? If you don't support advocacy, then I'm not supporting you with my money. And walk out. Then you go out, you go on Facebook, you go on Google+, you go everywhere that vape shop has some connections, some social media. And you go out and you let everyone know that the vape shop seem to not like advocacy. You speak up in the ways you can. If you have Instagram, and so do they, you go out there, you tag them, and you say, due to no support for advocacy, I will no longer support this business. That's you as a consumer saying that, and that is your option. That's the only way a lot of these businesses that are not supporting advocacy are going to change. And you need to even look at that when it comes to what e-liquids you use. If an e-liquid company doesn't support advocacy, why support them? Why support their company if they're not going to support your rights to vape? But that is for another video. Once again, guys, as always, don't forget, go out there, sign up for CASA, sign up for the Vaping Militia, or I don't know why I keep wanting to say the Vaping Militia, but go out there, sign up for anyone you can with vaping. Support your vape advocates. Follow what they're doing. Listen to everything they do. That way you can see what's going on. But you know what? I am heading out of here, guys. And don't forget, as always, you gotta fight for your right to vape. Yeah. Hey, if you like what you've seen here, there's much more to come. Just click one of the two boxes up here in the corner. And you know what? If you've liked it, make sure to subscribe. Just click the little button right there. Talk to you later, guys.